video, Matt is building a ramp for his skateboard. We know the vertical height is 5 feet, and we're wondering what could be the horizontal distance and the length of the ramp, aka the hypotenuse, if he wants to build it using a Pythagorean triple. I always like to begin by drawing a picture. And so I have a right triangle for his ramp, for his skateboard, and we know that vertical height is 5 feet. So let's go ahead and label the vertical side of this triangle as 5. Now, since the 5 is a leg of the triangle, meaning it's not the hypotenuse, we need a Pythagorean triple where 5 is not the largest side, because you remember the hypotenuse is the largest side of the right triangle. So if we look at a few Pythagorean triples list, we know that we don't want to use this first Pythagorean triple because 5 is the largest in this triple. Instead, we need another Pythagorean triple that has a 5 in it, but 5's not the largest. So maybe you look through the list here and you see that second Pythagorean triple, the 5, the 12, and the 13. We can use this one knowing that the 5 is one leg and the 12 will be a second leg, and of course the 13, being the largest, has to be our hypotenuse. So we can let the 12 be the horizontal, 13 being the length of the ramp. Now remember, a Pythagorean triple, simply 3 whole numbers that can be the sides of a right triangle because they satisfy the Pythagorean theorem.